Yo, what's up, guys? It's Crypto Cohen here, just coming in with a very quick market update for you. So, last time we spoke, Bitcoin was consolidating in this range, and I said that it was very likely, given that we've done an A, B, and a C, an ABC correction, that we were likely to have a move up. And it still was looking pretty, dicey. We weren't sure whether we were going to go up or down, although we did have a bias to the upside. And we did end up breaking. So this is the wave one, this is the two, and then we sort of had an explosive move up on some nice volume as well. So basically, looking at the internal subwaves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't labeled them, but that's kind of the intra hour subwaves accounted for. So basically, that's a one of three. Wave 3, so I think now we can get a pullback at most to this level here at around 45.1, which is like a key support level. It might not go that low. I'm just not too sure right now about how low we'll go, but I do think we're going to break below this support here. Pop just a little bit lower, maybe get a bounce, then go like this, and then start going higher, or maybe we'll come down lower. I'm not too sure, but yeah, that's pretty much it on the exact sort of next steps for Bitty that I'm anticipating. But if we just dial out, this key sort of resistance here, we wicked up into it, and now we're sort of chopping down. So yeah, definitely, hitting a bit of temporary weakness, and I think it'll be relatively short-lived. But yeah, like the momentum indicators are coming down, so yeah, wouldn't expect. I wouldn't be surprised to see it sort of come down towards these levels. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, same sort of thing. We had this ABC move down from this impulsive move up, and now we were chopping around in this range, and we had this 1 and then 2, and now we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that could be counted as a 1 of 3. So where we are right now in terms of the overall count, I think this is probably an A, and then we could bounce for a B, and then come down lower for a C, again, similar with Bitcoin, I don't think we will necessarily come this low, but this is a key support level, resistance term support. So if we do come down to this level, then I expect to see a strong reaction here, and then continue up. That's pretty much it for Ethereum on the next steps, and then the longer term outlook. That if this is a wave 1 and then a 2 of 3, then wave 3, if we pull up the extension level here, so let me just redo this so you guys can see. So the extension, so if this is sort of the wave 1 lows, and then wave 1 here, and then comes down to 2, then I think we could possibly come up to around the 4,000 level again for wave 3 termination, and then maybe pop up here, then close back below these levels. I don't know how it's going to play out. It's just some of my thinking right now. We would have this 2 down, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe chop around for a bit for a 4, and then another 5 up to new all-time highs. That's obviously the very bullish scenario, but it's not out of the question given how nice it's looking over on the overall time frames. This move was very nice, and it cleared this level here, and I'm pretty bullish overall in the market. So yeah, I don't think there's any reason to be bearish at the moment. Yes, we are coming down a little bit, but that's to be expected, and I think maybe we'll have another leg lower, but I think it's going to be a case of buy the dip. So that's Ethereum. GRT is another one that I've been tracking. It's got a fairly nice structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, and I think it is fairly close to bottoming out. Maybe we'll see one more pop lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, maybe see another pop lower just to sweep the lows here, and then bounce higher again. So I think that's the case for a fair few of the DeFi alts. They've done 5 up. I think Uni may have done. No, Uni's a little bit different. Serum's different as well. Yeah, that looks like it's kind of doing a 4. Matic, I think, Matic is. So that's kind of like a 1, 2, and then there's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, B, C. So I'm not going to chart this one up real quick because I want to wrap up now. But yeah, I think again, like, this is getting pretty close to bottoming out as well. So we might see a touch more downside, but I think we're getting fairly close. And then very lastly, Solana. I think Solana's looking really nice. A lot of the L1s are looking nice, layer ones. But yeah, Solana had this, this decline here, but then this structure is looking pretty nice. We had a strong bounce there, so counting that as a 1, and then a 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, 4, 5. So that could maybe take us back up actually to to the highs here in the near term if we continue going up. But overall, when we look at the bigger picture, I think this could all be part of a larger impulsive move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the wave 5 can take us up towards 300. So yeah, that's pretty bullish on Solana. On the weekly view, it's looking really nice. Like, that was a very good weekly the last week. So, expecting maybe to see a bit of a retrace of this candle here before we continue to the upside. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the moment, guys. And hope you've enjoyed this one, and catch you on the next one. Cheers.